Happy Monday, everyone. It's Weather for Weather Geeks time. I'm here with Weekend Warrior Mike Joyce. We had a beautiful weekend, didn't we?
We did. Easter yesterday was great. I mean, you can't really complain. After so many snowy Easters we've had around
That's right.
here, we had a perfect one.
You know, Easter can be as early as, I think you posted March 21st or something like that.
Right, yeah.
Or it could be as late as late April. So the type of weather we can have around here is pretty variable when it comes to Easter. But we lucked out yesterday. Today is just beautiful as well. I came in with my air conditioning just cranking this afternoon. I've got a dark car, so my car gets a little hot. But here in the 2 o'clock hour, 76. In Youngstown, 77. Newcastle, Ravenna's at 73. Akron, Canton, 75, 78 degrees. Yeah, it's beautiful. And you mentioned before we went on the air that the air is dry. Here's a look at the dew points, 30s. So that's when you have temperatures that are well into the 70s and dew points down in the 30s, that's a pretty dry air mass. So static electricity, it's definitely a little bit high out there today. We do have some high-level clouds pushing in. This is the first sign that our weather is about to take a change. Tomorrow is going to be a different day. Looks like we've got some showers heading our way, and those showers are out here right now. I'll take off the satellite and the temperatures for a second. There's not much here, is there?
No.
This isn't going to be a washout coming our way tomorrow, but the rain does get in tonight. We'll take you step by step through tonight and tomorrow, but we're going to see some raindrops, and yes, maybe some snowflakes. Snowflakes on Wednesday morning. Outside possibility, but a possibility nonetheless. No severe weather expected here. We're going to keep an eye out on Texas and around the Arklatex this afternoon. Got an enhanced risk in here. Nothing on the radar down in the Big D just yet. But that'll be something interesting kind of to watch this afternoon. Severe weather season off to a very, very quiet start nationwide.
Okay.
We're not complaining about that because, of course, severe weather oftentimes means damage and casualties and that sort of thing. But right now we've been in a nice lull. We hope it continues to stay that way, but it won't forever. That much is for certain. Let's pop off the radar for a second to show you the overall temperature trends across the country here. There's a lot of warm colors on this map today. Here's a springtime-looking map. A lot of oranges and reds, and the cool air still bottled up here, but it is going to make some south and eastward progress. So we're not done with the chill just yet, unfortunately.
I know.
Time will tell how long the cool air that comes in will stick around, but it's going to stick around for at least a couple of days, it looks like. All right, let's take a look at when our rain's coming in, a little bit of the timing here. I'll bring up the latest NAM 4-kilometer resolution model. This is kind of a high-res model. We're going to take a look at the simulated radar product, and I'll fast forward to this evening at about 10 o'clock. And the rain, of course, not here just yet at that point. It's just maybe starting to try to push into northwest Ohio. And then I'll fast forward all the way to, this would be at 5 o'clock in the morning. And this is when some showers will start to approach from the west. They might even get in a little sooner than this. But I think at the bus stop tomorrow morning, and as you head off to work tomorrow morning, we will, in fact, start to see some showers pushing in. And here's just after daybreak, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. That's a pretty healthy looking band of showers. So tomorrow morning, unfortunately, not as nice as this morning was. But, this kind of weather wasn't going to last forever. That's the wrong computer. Here we go with the rest of the morning tomorrow, 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 p.m. A few hours, it looks like, worth of showers. Steadiest of the rain, likely to get out of here by early in the afternoon. This is at 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So if you have a golf league tomorrow night, softball practice, that kind of thing, you should be in better shape towards the end of the afternoon. There might be, what do you think, another lingering shower?
Maybe. I mean, we've got a few sprinkles down here just to the south, but of course that can vary.
Yeah, exactly. Certainly the part of the day that's more likely to be kind of not a washout, but a few hours of more consistent rain is going to be the morning tomorrow. Here in the afternoon, you might just have to duck a few additional raindrops. Speaking of rain, wanted to talk real quickly about the drought severity across the country. Areas that are doing well, not so well. The West, no shock. Yeah, they're still on a drought out there. It's been like that. It seems like forever. But here in Northeast Ohio, we've had about 2.5 inches worth of rain so far at the airport, the Youngstown Warren Airport, in April. A typical April, we get somewhat over 3, maybe 3.25. So we're well on our way to getting that. It looks like this month we're doing pretty well. So no threat of drought here. In fact, the drought severity index, a lot of green around the Great Lakes where it was a pretty active winter and early spring. The crop moisture also doing well in the wet category. It looks like Eastern Ohio, Western Pennsylvania. So we're doing pretty well here. This is a stark contrast to a couple of years ago, the March of 2012, when not only was it very warm, it was also very dry, and that led to such a severe drought out in here, and even as far east as us, it got pretty dry late in the summer of 2012. So that was just 2 years ago. But this year we're doing a lot better. All right, so rain at times tomorrow, particularly in the morning. Tomorrow night, as the temperature cools off, I think the atmosphere will be cold enough to support, yes, maybe a few snowflakes trying to mix in, especially north of I-80 up in Trumbull County, Mercer County. You might see a snow shower at the start of the day. Wednesday, it's not going to stick. It's no big deal, but we might not be 100% done with at least seeing snowflakes just yet. But that'll just be a early in the day Wednesday thing. The rest of the day is fine. Looks like Thursday starts all right, ends all right. High pressure just off to our north and east, and the moisture probably holds off until Friday. Showing you just the GFS model here, but other models kind of agree on the timing, it looks like, with low pressure across the Great Lakes in the morning. This looks like it's more weighted towards the morning than the afternoon as far as the shower timing on Friday. Afternoon, there might be a spritz or a sprinkle, I suppose, but Friday morning looks like the wettest part of the day to me. And again, lingering shower in a few spots Friday night. And then we're going to start the weekend on a cool note with maybe a kind of a variable sky or mix of sun and clouds. The models even want to kind of spit up a quick sprinkle or a shower. I think that's most likely higher terrain of northern PA. In Ohio, it would probably be up towards the lake shore. Saturday's a long way away, unfortunately. At least, unfortunately, for those of us who are lucky enough to have weekends off. But
at least I'm in the evening, so
exactly,
that's not too bad.
Exactly.
Not too bad.
So Saturday might have a sprinkle. It's going to be chilly. Sunday's looking kind of cool as well. So, this is not a real warm pattern we're in once we're done with today. Here's the 16-day temperature anomaly chart. Black line that doesn't move in the middle, that's average. Here we are now. Of course, we're warmer than average by a good, at least 15, if not 20 degrees today. Then here's our midweek cool down right in through here. Then it will warm up again at the end of the week. Now, you did the noon show today. What do we have for highs at the end of the week? We're in the 60s?
Yeah, getting upper 60s. Maybe squeeze out a 70 if we're lucky if we get enough sunshine.
Mm-hmm.
But, yeah, we're talking warm again.
Yeah, warmer than average, it looks like, for a couple of days, end of the week. That'll come to an end Friday night into Saturday. A little bit of a chill here for the weekend. Beyond that, it might warm up for a couple of days here, but you'll notice the trend overall, not real warm, longer range. This takes us all the way out through the morning of May 7th. So longer range model trends suggest we should enjoy whatever warmth we have this week, because we probably don't see the upper 70s again anytime soon. 70, yes, but upper 70s might be pushing it through about that first week of May. So that's the way it looks on this Monday. For Mike Joyce, I'll see you tonight, 6 and 11 on 21 News. Jess, thankfully, is back this week, handling those early morning hours, so you early risers can check out her forecast tomorrow morning. WFMJ Today. We'll see you tomorrow.